We're making Keto Maple Pecan Blondies. Let's go! This keto treat is not just for the fall season, but I would say it's for any time of the year because it is that delicious. You are going to need a 6.5 by 6.5 oven-safe container or 16 centimeters. Or something similar. Do go ahead and grease and line your container and set your oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius. And remember, we have our ingredients list with 2 sets of measurements in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. I'm just going to toast a half a cup of chopped pecans for about 10 minutes, and while that's in the oven, add a 1/4 cup of melted butter to a bowl, then add 1/3 cup of sugar-free white chocolate chips and microwave for 15 seconds at a time until the chocolate has melted. Next, add 1/4 cup of sugar-free maple syrup, and mine is by Lakanto, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now for the dry ingredients, add 1 cup of almond flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sorry, I thought the camera was rolling and it wasn't, but here it is. 1/4 cup of powdered sweetener is next, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And give that a good mix until fully combined. And by the way, this batter tastes delicious already. Just going to whip 1 egg white to stiff peaks and then fold a little in at a time, and this is going to add a little fluffiness to the blondie. Let's not forget the pecans. Add about half of the pecans to the batter and mix that well, and that's the batter all done. Add all of the mixture to the lined container, smooth it off, then sprinkle the remaining chopped pecans on top, and I'm just lightly pressing them in so they peek out of the blondie. Bake for 14 minutes, and halfway through you want to turn your container so you get an even bake. Remove from the oven and let it completely cool, because at this point, while it's still warm, it'll probably crumble. As it cools, it will set and we will still get a very soft texture. Let's check out the inside, and I'm going to serve mine with a scoop of keto ice cream, and if you want that recipe, there should be a link in the top right corner of your screen. Store in the fridge in an airtight container, and it'll last for up to 4 days, which is convenient because this is a recipe for 4. I hope you get to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.